I'll drop a sub.
Yeah, then you gotta have my ugly mug on the side of it the whole time there.
I'll just like crop it.
Yeah, just a weird like box
Just
on the
put
left hand side.
Paint.net, just cut it out.
Just like a massively pixelated, oversized version of like Ash's portrait over the top of it.
Okay. Support to high ground.
Oh jeez!
How's it going, Sam?
They got
Where are
fire. They got fire mercy.
Where are they? Where are they?
They're
Coming
main.
down main.
They're main.
Coming down, man.
Right side, left side.
They got fire mercy, really? Where?
Right side.
Okay.
They got Ashe as well.
Just chuck a Discord on that fire and I'll delete her.
Yeah, definitely. Just keep fire discorded this entire game.
If I ever
Just
see
jumped
this
up, she's high.
Yep, she's discorded.
I'm playing point right now. I'm like behind. If you can
Can't-
see me,
I need
can't
a bit of
heal you.
healing, I
If
need
you
a bit of
left,
healing.
left, backwards.
Ashe is right and inside.
Can you heal me, Zane? By any chance?
Yeah, give me 1 second.
Ryan.
Everyone pop around.
Line.
Keep around alive. Keep around alive.
I nearly have nano. I'm gonna save it for Bob.
Ashe is still on the right hand side there.
Nano, pog.
I'm
Oh,
actually
Ashe
doing
one,
it,
Ashe
dude.
one.
Holy
Just
shit.
sort of gave up.
Pogu. Did you frag Sam or no?
I missed a little bit. Missed a few shots.
How close are you to Bob? Holy shit, 83. Yeah, we're nanoing Bob next fight. Okay. Affirmative? Yes? Is
Yeah.
everybody okay with this?
If you want to do that, you probably try and bait them on the point.
Yeah, we need to bait them onto point and then nano Bob. Aim them at the boxes on the right where Ryan is right now. That's at the best spot for Eric. I'm rotating high ground right now. I can't see you all.
They're on fire.
Farah's left side, Farah's left side.
Oh, Zaya low. Yeah, I got a fire.
We nearly have grab as well,
Alright,
by the way.
Bob. Oh, missy one.
Runs one.
That was Pog. That was the most Pog thing I've ever seen in my life.
Alright, so they're probably gonna do the same thing to Xbox now.
Yeah, exactly. I can see
Alright,
them.
I got Shadow, I'll
can
try
see-
and Shadow.
If they nano
Just
Bob,
sleep
I'll
sleep
Bob.
the Bob and then don't touch him.
I've also got trance as well.
Shiloh, were you watching that, dude? That was fucking Pog.
Yeah, Zaji. What I was thinking is like you probably could have shoved Bob a little bit more down because there's like another pillar.
Yeah, I know. I thought they were gonna push up a bit quicker though.
Ah,
I
yeah.
think the best
gonna
combo
grab this
is to
side.
throw Bob in.
I'll go throw the bomb into it as well. No other rolls.
If you wanna, as I say, if you wanna grab, did you eat it?
Oh.
Farah's probably looking for ult.
I missed my nade. I'm
Ashe,
sorry.
so-
I can't hear you, Ryan. Still can't hear you. Reloading.
I got my orb on you.
What did they
No!
pop? What did they pop? What did they pop?
They
What did
used
they
grab,
pop?
but I ate it.
And they were gonna barrage. Their combo was grab barrage, but the fire got trapped.
Yeah.
by the
Yeah,
grab.
Forest still got barrage. She got stuck in that graph.
Their Ashe is kind of a fucking bot. She came left and then 1v1 me. I just hit her.
Shadow them from behind.
Yeah, alright, we'll kite him in. I think they're going left side though.
I almost had Bob.
Yeah, we can nano Bob again. We need it.
Come on.
If it gets to that.
No, they're going left side, sorry.
Okay, left side. That's fine.
They saw me.
Ashe high ground.
Cheeky shadow.
Oh no, it's Goliana. Bob.
I don't have Pog. I don't have fucking. I didn't have nano for that,
Jet
unfortunately.
Mercy's up top.
No, she's out.
Is she?
I can hear you
Goddamn.
guys if you peek right side. You should just grab them early, like right now.
I don't even know what they're doing anymore. I thought they were gonna come left side to try and kill me for sure, and I backed so far out, and they're just.
I don't even want you guys to fucking reset this game because I want to see the play of the game.
Alright, they didn't even touch.
Oh, I love this hero, dude.